Hello, if you're trying to remove a Google account from your Honor X6e, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quickest and easiest way to do it step by step, whether you're selling your phone, giving it to someone else, switching to a different Google account, or simply want to remove the current one. This guide will walk you through the entire process without any confusion. I'll also show you where to find the correct settings, what to do before removing the account, and what happens after it's removed, so you don't accidentally lose important data. Just follow along with me. And in a couple of minutes, you'll know exactly how to remove a Google account from your Honor X6e safely and correctly.